Hi, I'm Alan with Woodland Direct. Today we're going to review the Amantii Symmetry Bespoke electric fireplace. The Symmetry Bespoke comes in 3 linear sizes, including 50, 60, and 74-inch widths. Today we'll be looking at the 50-inch size. With each Amantii Symmetry Bespoke electric fireplace, you'll receive a finished trim kit, your choice of media, a thermostatic remote control, and an installation manual. The Symmetry Bespoke is approved for use in both indoor and outdoor spaces. It features a linear, zero-clearance design, slim depth, and front vent, which allows for recessed or semi-flush mounted installation. 2 state-of-the-art flame patterns, including Amantii's new hyper-realistic electric flames and traditional diffused flames, shift from soft yellow to bright orange and red for a lifelike burning display. Built-in audio produces high-quality crackling sounds sampled from a real wood-burning fire for an even more authentic experience. The Symmetry Bespoke runs on 120 volts of electricity and can be plugged into a standard outlet or hardwired into your home's electrical system. It's equipped with a 4095 BTU heater and can be operated with or without the heat. Amantii's patented thermostatic remote control allows you to independently adjust the heat output, the flame size, and flame colors from anywhere in the room. With the remote, you can also program your fireplace to turn on automatically at your desired temperature. That means you can have a cozy relaxation spot waiting for you when you walk in the door. For even more convenience, you can connect your Symmetry Bespoke to Wi-Fi and control it with an app on your smart device. The Amantii Symmetry Bespoke electric fireplace makes incorporating a fire feature into your home quick and effortless, no matter what stage you're at in your home renovation project. With a slim linear design and no venting or gas line requirements, the Symmetry Bespoke guarantees hassle-free installation anywhere inside or outside your house. And there you have it, a complete rundown of the Amantii Symmetry Bespoke electric fireplace. If you have any questions about this fireplace or any of our other fireplaces, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.